Welcome back to the Niche Navigator. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in depth. We'll discuss what they are, how they work, the benefits they bring, and the challenges they face. We'll also look into the history of cryptocurrencies, the different types of cryptocurrencies, and their potential impact on various industries. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and let's delve into the comprehensive guide to the future of finance. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest content. Number 1. History of cryptocurrencies. To understand cryptocurrencies, it's essential to look at the history and the evolution of digital currencies. The idea of digital currencies has been around since the 1980s, when cryptographers and computer scientists started exploring ways to create secure digital cash. One of the early attempts at creating a digital currency was David Chaum's DigiCash, which used cryptography to secure transactions. Despite early efforts, digital currencies didn't gain much traction until the introduction of Bitcoin in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin's white paper outlined a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that eliminated the need for a central authority and introduced the concept of blockchain technology. Since the inception of Bitcoin, thousands of cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, have emerged, each with its unique features and use cases. The rise of cryptocurrencies has also led to the growth of a global market and trading ecosystem, with millions of people investing in and using cryptocurrencies daily. Number 2. Cryptocurrency basics. Now that we've looked at the history of cryptocurrencies, let's dive deeper into what they are and how they work. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate independently of a central authority. They are stored in digital wallets and can be used to buy goods and services online or even in some physical stores. Transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called a blockchain. Cryptocurrencies can be classified into different categories based on their unique features and use cases. Store of value. These cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are primarily used as a long-term store of value and a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Utility tokens. These cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, provide access to a specific product or service within a platform or ecosystem. Stablecoins. These cryptocurrencies, like Tether, USDT, are pegged to a stable asset, such as the US dollar or gold, to minimize price volatility. Privacy-focused coins. These cryptocurrencies, such as Monero and Zcash, prioritize transaction privacy and anonymity. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. These are digital currencies issued by central banks and backed by the country's government. Number 3. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is the foundation of cryptocurrencies. It's a distributed, decentralized, and public digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. The ledger is comprised of blocks that contain a list of transactions, and each block is cryptographically linked to the previous one, ensuring data integrity and security. The primary benefits of blockchain technology are decentralization, transparency, and security. Additionally, it allows for innovations such as smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Smart contracts eliminate the need for intermediaries, such as lawyers and banks, making transactions more efficient and cost-effective. Blockchain technology has numerous potential applications beyond cryptocurrencies, including supply chain management, voting systems, healthcare, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to name a few. These applications leverage the power of decentralization, transparency, and immutability offered by blockchain technology to improve efficiency and security in various industries. Number 4. Benefits and applications. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology offer several advantages over traditional financial systems. Decentralization. They operate on a decentralized network, removing the need for central banks and financial institutions. This promotes financial inclusion and empowers individuals to have more control over their money. Security. Blockchain technology ensures the security and immutability of transactions, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double-spend cryptocurrencies. Transparency. The public nature of the blockchain allows for increased transparency, making it easier to track and verify transactions. Lower transaction fees. Cryptocurrencies generally have lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking systems, making them more attractive for both consumers and businesses. Some real-world applications of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology include international remittances. Cryptocurrencies can facilitate faster and cheaper international money transfers, especially for those without access to traditional banking services. Supply chain management. Blockchain technology can be used to track products and materials throughout their life cycle, improving transparency and efficiency in supply chains. Decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi aims to create a decentralized financial system that operates without central authorities such as banks and governments. It includes various financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading, all built on blockchain technology. Voting. Blockchain technology can potentially revolutionize voting systems by providing transparency, security, and immutability to the voting process, reducing the risk of fraud and making it more accessible to citizens. Healthcare. Blockchain technology can be used to securely store and share patients' medical records, ensuring data privacy and improving interoperability among healthcare providers. Number 5. Challenges and concerns. Despite the numerous benefits, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology face several challenges and concerns. Regulatory issues. The lack of a clear regulatory framework in many countries can make it difficult for businesses and individuals to adopt cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Energy consumption. The process of mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin consumes a significant amount of energy, raising concerns about the environmental impact of these technologies. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, which can make them less attractive for some investors and businesses. Security risks. While blockchain technology is considered secure, the risk of hacks and cyber attacks on cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets still exists. Adoption barriers, technological complexity, lack of awareness, and the absence of user-friendly tools can hinder widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Number 6. The future of cryptocurrency and blockchain. The future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology looks promising, with continued innovation and development in the space. As regulatory frameworks evolve and more user-friendly tools become available, we can expect a broader adoption of these technologies. Furthermore, advancements in areas like decentralized finance, smart contracts, tokenization of assets, and the integration of blockchain technology into various industries will continue to drive the growth of the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Ultimately, the potential impact of these technologies on the global financial system and other sectors is immense, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface. So, what are your thoughts on the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology? Do you think they will play a significant role in shaping the financial landscape and other industries in the coming years? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on technology, innovation, and other fascinating topics. We hope this comprehensive guide on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology has provided you with valuable insights and sparked your interest in this rapidly evolving field. Remember, this is just the beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned to our channel for more in-depth explorations of the latest trends and technologies that are shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.